Oh look, it's another video. A useful one though. This time, well, it's not like the others weren't useful. Well, today we are going to talk about specifically how to open tickets on ConnectWise, the client portal, and how to reach BuenaVista when you need help. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your favorite browser. Mine is not Google Chrome, this is Pookie, I'm just mind controlling him. And then you're going to go to BuenaVista.myportallogin.com. Once you get there, you're going to see this beautiful page, and then you're going to click on Sign In. When you do that, you're probably going to stop and wonder, man, I don't have a ConnectWise account. Don't worry, BuenaVista's got you. We're going to assign you an account, and then you'll be able to log in with your credentials. Once you log in, your authenticator should send you a code, and then you'll be able to input that. Now that you're in the portal, you can see it's a beautiful little simple page for you to be able to submit a ticket, look up an existing ticket, or access a knowledge base with articles and tutorials for you guys to do stuff. Let's look up a ticket. Now, here are a couple that we put in. Computer's broken, right? We kind of emphasize that. When you open one, you can write a message for us. And remember, this is a ticket that we put in earlier. You can write a message updating our text on what you want to do or what you see, or asking for an update. Once you do that, it populates into our system and we're able to see it. Now let's create a ticket. By clicking on Create Ticket, you'll be able to select a category. And don't worry, we'll have more. And then you'll be able to select a service. And don't worry, we have more. And here, it's important to give a lot of information. I'm just going to write stuff to kind of get the show on the road. And once you do that, you'll be able to specify when you notice the problem, if it's preventing you from doing work, which is highly important for us to know, and especially if anyone else is experiencing the same problem. Now, if you have screenshots, it's important to attach whatever error codes or messages that your computer is giving you or the application is giving you so that we can work better. And lastly, tell us when it's best to contact you. That way we don't disturb you during working hours or during times that you would rather not talk. And just like that, you create a new ticket. This is the best way to submit a ticket with BuenaVista. Now let's talk about using the icon on your system tray to submit a ticket. It's actually really easy. So if you go to the bottom right corner of your desktop, you'll be able to open your system tray, and then you can click on the little green cog. And you can submit a ticket. And when you do that, you should be using the email where we can best reach you. You can CC whoever you want, and then in the subject line, you can put maybe like a brief overview of the ticket, like computer broken. And then obviously in the body, just like any other email, you just fill it out as normal. Nothing special. Computer broken, need help. All right. And then you can click on the priority. In this case, it's an emergency because it's Pookie and his computer is not working. And then it'll populate into our system and we'll be able to see it. Just like that. It's really that simple. If you've been with us before, this one is a little bit more comprehensive and a little bit more in depth, and it's going to make everybody happier, including and especially us. Now, let's go over submitting a ticket via email. This one is also pretty straightforward, but if you email support@bvinfo.net, and you write the same thing, kind of an overview of the ticket, the problem that you're having, and then in the body, you write same thing as before, except kind of like a little update. Cookie's being a little aggressive with this one, I'm sorry. Anyways, when you send that, it actually populates for us and we get it in the form of an email. In fact, we get all of the tickets in the form of an email. So So everybody on the team gets it, everyone is aware that you're having a problem, and we try to get to it as soon as we can. There it is. Actually, both of them. And we get these tickets in real time, so we get to see exactly when you had the problem, and we'll be able to reach back pretty fast. Now, there is one last way to reach us to submit a ticket, but that, my friends, is forbidden knowledge, and only clients get that. I mean, if you're a client, you probably already know. But anyways, yeah, we'll cover that some other time, or you'll get it in a packet or an email or something. You'll hear about it, but just not here. All right.